Okay, so for today's science lesson, you're going to do a little bit of reading and watch a video, but nothing has to be submitted to me today. You're going to be answering some questions in your science book, but I don't need to see pictures of them. There's really only about 3 or 4 questions, so I'm just trusting that you're getting these questions done and you're answering them. So again, don't worry about sending me any pictures today for science. You're going to start on page 294. This is lesson 3 of topic number 7 that we're learning about. This is called Patterns Over Time. And you're going to be able to demonstrate why the sun, the moon, and stars appear at different times. And then later on, we're going to also be describing why shadows change size and direction throughout the day. So we'll be working a little bit with shadows today. So you're going to read page 294. Then you're going to skip over to page 296. You're going to read that, read about shadows and shadow patterns. Then you're going to read page 297 about stars and constellations and answer the question at the bottom. And then on page 298 and 299, you're going to just read the visual literacy connection page and answer the one question that's on there. After that, you're going to go to the link that I provided. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to click Launch, and it's going to bring up a page that says Observe Shadows on Earth. You're going to click Begin, and you kind of just play around with it. There's really, it's not like a video or anything. You just play around with it to see how shadows move on Earth. And then you get out of that, you go back to the link that I sent you, and you're going to watch the video, and it's called Observing Shadows on a Globe. So you're just going to click that video, open it, watch it, and then once you finish that and you finish all your pages, you're done with science for the day. And again, you do not have to submit anything for science today. All right, if you have any questions, let me know.